Yo, what is up everybody? Today I'm going to show you all how to get free Xbox Live, guys, and free Xbox Live codes so you can play online with your friends and enjoy all the benefits on Xbox Live for absolutely free, working on Xbox One, Xbox 360, guys. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm just going to let you guys all know right now that I am giving away a free pair of AirPods as well. So to enter, all you got to do is literally like the video, comment down below, tell me why you want to enter, and I'll pick one user randomly, guys, and you'll win a free pair of AirPods right here, guys. Check it out, brand new, and I'll ship it out to you and everything like that, so you don't even have to pay at all. But guys, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So if you want to get free Xbox Live codes and whatnot, what you want to do is open up your phone and go to this website, ninjakings.net/xbl. So this is how it's gonna look. You just put it on there, ninjakings.net/xbl. Boom, let's go. And if you're on the site, this is how it's gonna look. And it looks really smooth, guys. You can't lie. I like the colors and everything like that. But regardless of that, to get Xbox Live, all you gotta do now is enter your email address associated with your Xbox Live account. I mean your Xbox account. So the account that you want Xbox Live on, if you know the email, go ahead and type it in right here, guys. Make sure you type it in correctly, otherwise you will not receive your Xbox Live because it won't find it. So make sure you type it in correctly without any errors. It doesn't, caps lock is not on, so you can go ahead and type it all lowercase if you want. Then select how much Xbox Live you want, 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, you know, I'm gonna go with 12 months. Enable encryption, and let's go ahead and click generate. Now all you gotta do here, guys, is literally install 2 apps and run each of them for as much time as it tells you. As you guys can see, if you look under the app, it actually tells you what to do. So for this one, it says download and install this app for 30 seconds. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do 2 apps right now, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this app right here first. Boom. And then this one as well. Alright, so both apps are installed. We're gonna run this one. So what you guys would do is do what it tells you to do in the instructions, and do that on the first app, and then go ahead and do that with the second app as well. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna run them both because I don't want to make this video longer than it really is supposed to be. I'm trying to make it simple and short so you guys don't get bored, or so you guys don't get confused. But yeah, as you can see, I'm doing it right now. Then you run the second app, boom, everything is done. Now guys, all you gotta do here is literally open up your Xbox account. So on Xbox Live, turn on your Xbox One, and then guys, you shall see that Xbox Live has been added to your account. And if it hasn't been added, go back. There's a couple things you can do. Number one, I recommend you go back to that page with all the apps. So this page right here, go back to this page, and then literally just go ahead and do another app or 2 more apps, and then Xbox Live will be added for sure this time. That's all you gotta do, guys. It's that easy. And yeah, enjoy the free Xbox Live, guys, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace out.